I'm glad we get to chat about it because it's not true, okay? I love to tell you things that just aren't true because I think we've grown up in a world the last 10, 15 years that we think that what we hear is correct, and people that do taxes know more than we do. I know where they go on the form, but your gut will tell you what's tax deductible or not. But here's a big one a couple of ones that really have annoyed me over the last 6 months here. And I mean, these videos only went viral about 9 months ago, and we've had millions of views and lots of comments, and I read them all, so I know what's going on. But here's one. Why are expensive, and I call them expensive because they're not always CPAs, they're just expensive. They're charging $3,000-$4,000 for a business tax return, which is ridiculous. Your business isn't making that much money. It's a huge bill for no reason, and I think a lot of people figure they must be doing their job right because they're expensive, which probably works backwards for me because I'm not expensive, but honest to God, I really work hard at them. But here's the biggest thing. They say things like, well, we don't do meals. I've heard this from tons of clients calling me. Well, we don't do meal expenses. They're too risky. Well, then why is there a spot for it on the tax return? Okay, I don't get that one. They also say things like, if you're doing mileage, we need to see a full receipt, a log. And I'm like, what do you mean a log? You can't cheat a log. I mean, if somebody asked you for a log, you'd come up with it. Okay, the IRS knows that. They're not stupid. So it's like, you can do reasonable mileage. You don't have to have a log.